Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to customize a clock visible on our lock screen in Samsung Galaxy S22. So how does it look right now? When we look at our lock screen, it looks like this. How to change it? We need to go to settings, then lock screen, and here we have our menu right here. When we go here, we can change our clock style, and we can change our clock color and font. For example, let's use this ugly thing, and done. And let's see how does it look like on our purple lock screen. As you can see, our clock has been changed. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.